Hi, it's Renee with Harvest Hill Cottage. Today we're going to show you how we made custom cornices for our dining room windows in our new home. And we're excited to share it with you because they are not only beautiful and easy, but they're budget friendly. You want to start off by measuring the width of your window from the outside edge of the window frame, and be sure to add about 1/4 inch to allow for your fabric and the batting. Your cornice will essentially be a U shape, as you see here, with a front piece and then the two sides, and then that piece will actually sit at the outer edges of your window frame. For the next part, you'll want a really good heavy-duty staple gun. This is our favorite, and a second pair of hands is really helpful. This project is actually part of a larger series that we're doing as we decorate our new home room by room, cottage style, and we'd love for you to join us and follow our journey by subscribing and turning on your notifications. That way you don't miss an episode. Okay, here's the cornice all covered and ready to hang. I did decide to add a lace trim on the bottom edge, and I simply used some of that iron-on hem tape, and I just ironed the lace trim right on the bottom edge of the cornice. It was very easy to do, and it turned out really nice. To hang the cornice above the window frame, we measured the inside of the cornice, and we simply added a furring strip that would then attach to the top of the window frame. and here's the cornice installed at the top of the window. I didn't like the look of the blinds, so I added a sheer on a tension rod just to the inside of the cornice, and that softened the blinds and just looked really elegant in the dining room. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining us here today, and we hope that you'll subscribe and join us again for more DIY, home decor, and thrift flips.